Following a commitment made by the coalition government towards improved service delivery, Mr Johannes Pringle now has access to running water in his residence after using the bucket system for over 40 years. Last week, Speaker of Council, Councillor Gary van der Kerk, promised Mr Pringle that he would have access to running water by his 90th birthday.
We are here with the help of infrastructure and engineering. We've come to fulfill our promise, and we're here to celebrate his 90th birthday as well. So we brought a cake to celebrate his birthday, and yes, it's a joyous occasion. But like I said earlier, we're not here to brag about it. We're actually here to apologize to Mr Pringle and his lovely wife. So today it's a happy story, it's a happy ending, and it's the start of many things to happen in this new government. This government is one that cares, and we're looking for those issues, for the big issues where people are saying this has been wrong for so long. So yes, the city is really busy.
Mr Johannes Pringle expressed his gratitude.
Ek voel so bly. Deur blygheid het ek sleg geslaap gister aand. Ek het 3 keer opgestaan om gaan seker maak en hy water nie opgedroog. Gelukkig, die Here is goed. Ek sukkel al lankal. Want ek in hierdie huis ingekom het 1972 het ek nooit water gehad. Maar nou dat van julle gekom het, die metro, sê baie dankie. Mag God julle en jou ander mense ook raak en hulle harte lekker maak.